Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing watermelon swan. It's got these really cool spread back wings, and feathers on the head too. I made mine out of this mini watermelon, but you can use a full-sized one. Start by cutting it down the middle, but just off to one side, so one half is bigger than the other. We'll be using this smaller half later. Place this one on the chopping board flat side down. Then use a sharp knife to carefully cut a wedge of watermelon out of the side, like this. Sit it back in place. Then cut another smaller wedge out of the first one, like this. Do be careful not to cut too deep. Then finally cut one more smaller wedge out of the previous one. So we've got 3 altogether. If your watermelon is bigger, you might be able to cut an additional one too. Next, turn it around and do the same on the other side. Once you're done, you can splay them out backwards like this to form the wings. Next, we need to use a small knife to remove a piece of the watermelon at the front like this. This is going to hold the swan's neck and head. Move this out of the way, then take the other half and cut a slice through it, the width of the incision we just made. We're going to cut out the neck and head from here, so use your knife. And I'm also carving in some feathers at the top of the head. Slot it in place, and there's our swan. Pretty cool, huh? Just one thing left to do. Take some watermelon seeds and use them for eyes. It's great fun to make, and it looks amazing. If you want to see more watermelon videos, you can click on the link or take a look at some of my others. And make sure you don't miss future videos by subscribing to my channel and ringing the bell. Have fun, stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.